Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop those Google Classroom emails. First, I'll come and click on this to access the Google Apps, and I'll scroll all the way down here and choose Google Classroom. Of course, you can also use the URL for this. This is the exact URL, classroom.google.com. Now, this you go ahead and turn off those emails, right? Because sometimes they might be annoying. Too many emails coming in. So all you need to do, here on the home page, you'll see this left panel. Now, the last option right here is settings. I want you to just come here and click on settings, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So right here, under notifications, you'll see email, right? And all you need to do is toggle this one off. Allow email notifications. So as soon as I toggle this one off, I'm not going to get those email notifications anymore. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.